unse sanka ade anka ne papa firi mu nchae de anka e beka say ohun ejapade na no guso tonton nanso ejapade de se wa to manasa
aka dompe
eti ya shede dompe no krasa ya shede hu be bi efiri eti na mpesa me find as wa sha say tu galam say dia ohun anka onka ne hu be bi e de fa na eja ti e be fa ho adwena galam say so de say ya brai na galam say ya bra
ahaju say
opa ni betna say na dia ide na o say de we say eja na nim nwi no say esro ho no
ayo chane mame
unse opeba opeto baby nesu to baby enti opena sisro ba esu to wase
ehu pao
so bia hu ahofe coat ne color no we brown and say da bi onye brown kwaku akwa bon
That's about transmit me so.
We silver. Can't it no. Who's any or you any teachers your friend silver shine. Silver shine color ni bi. Open you ba no nim na di matter me friend abna ayi amarasta.
Ensuro me na mta kunya nim. Me ntra han hwe mo ndu atem.
Open ni kasa.
Yajo. Hey, you na mzi mai. Eba.
Eba bibia kama pa bibia kama wasi je say ugina ye de
aden
e de radiase bibia be kama me pa wata ne so African print
that's it
me pe blue no ne green ne as me yellow ne white wa hu ene brown ne wo ne ene blue no dey design wa han no sade CJ we a guy CJ we a guy
Jim FM
now say the Obokra tare ever dey ne
let's be fair to Nancy Ampofaji in fact my partner chairman not Nancy
enye the Obokra tare Nsem na ase enkan
eno but Nancy Ampofaji atrase
so nim na so opanyini kase tia me so bo no na me de bebo opanyini kasa
anape wafa ho pa
yeah
combination no
o ba yiri hu de
say enipa baji ni din wa me prinyi nkyere to atare o haya hyebi the guy say ehyehyehye wardrobe no na I will disappoint you all this morning because menka obia ho asem nyame adom a 4:30 bo a ya na musumoti efidi mu wie de mu ye de mu beku fie
te say yen akodu fie no a ya dwudwe na yen tie 4:30
9 pm sabre no medidi
ebe duro
pagu ya wu
ebe duro na menkoi na me ha
menidi e kwabrane adifufu atiti mu aba na obetra na ohoro menti
Gwagwadu anapaya.
Oh yes.
Oze.
Anapaya wadi fufu.
Oze.
Fufu awadi ne nya ha na so de betna.
Ngaso ngawdu wo. Eswani ama. Ana wo pitim 8.
Sasi ahimfu ye yizi emfanye one district one factory. Oze ka ba na ugina ba ko so all clear.
Jim FM.
And cause them could libra. Cause them could badi.
Me kwa me
Jim FM.
Di means here me kasa wan hwa na ayi.
But see once see breakfast there power. Yes, breakfast there.
Breakfast na wo wadi ni bia. Opani.
Na breakfast be sin breakfast.
Ya me ma address me kasa no penti ma mi twa so.
Enra me ne ayi me ne me doctor din komo. Ena o se kwaku ontai ni breakfast. Na me say dey no kre. Ena o so ya di breakfast na.
O doctor onimo.
O se
Ida say onimu ana say onimu adwuma emu ba ko the doctor na
me ba na sasemo ya to aso ayi mo hwi na me nkokuma ase na me ne manam sini Awuku Malik me ne no entwetwe nkoma ono na nani edi interparty resistance against new voters register na me ne entwetwe nkoma yi dia ekosu kuma ase nyina obehunu o Facebook live demonstration no ashase nipa womo ade womo ho agim ene placards a womo kuta nsama ya twetwe wo so ne ade nyina no okwa adom 106.3 FM e Facebook a obehunu samfoni ni bi nyina e wo ho Awuku akwaba yeah apoma ko de
Takuba do boko
hey deden ku a wa kire ho no Dede watch the hono no demonstration no asase an say.
Dede die du haye pa. Demonstration sisi no sa na ho empopie na pa isia ha.
Atwafo ni chan asase abreben etesan e wo ho.
Anɔpa bɛyɛ no nsia no mu hɔ na nipa no sɛ akyɛ bank kakra ba isi adeɛ nipa no ɛwɔ ha no menyɛ sure sɛ ɛyɛ up to expectation interparty no ɛhwehwɛ but ɔmo de ato gya sɛ afei ana nipa dodoɔ no ano ɛba bɛka ho eti sia ne nya move mfa ɛmɔnten so na mmom yɛ ɔbaabi a ɔmo ka se nyina ba bɛhyia no ɛyɛ aboabo school park no so na me no kɛsɛ deɛ me wɔ panyin baako NDC panyinfoɔ no baako kyɛwuro akwakubu ahen ɛwɔ ha sei men pese mese be men ba tun komo aka ni ebusa no say wo mo expectation say e na tie ni ana say wo mo expect bi e change say open ni jam wachi e ba adom kase adom money show so
yeah na what to say
yanko pardon na ye expectation say na tie ni ana say mo expect something big
oh utimi say number na aba no is encouraging but ye hope say nipa bebre and am kwaso mo ba na me ba de say nipa bebre ebi abotenku oba ebi enso na kwaso a mo ba am ye sure say me say move no number na ye expect no ye bi sabe tun akaba sisi akora na nipa wa no utunu sampa ye ye ni ade
na yon pene de mo yi wo hwe sia ne isifo aba bonten aba be ye nhye ahudo bi abekire pension si ana no mo botu akwakodu edi enti na sel na no move ahead and dem finish dem aba
if zero to right on no between the central register na central register then you stakeholder so register our memoir you should be convinced enough and sana ebibia ana political party so Ghana eso mu nyina convinced because we say you trade any other party agent for we say the cover for do moba the electoral committee council right system bia no your pen will be ya same one more than and continue and then the electoral committee right to back up Africa and Twaba declare a coup for the president sana e kan no and yes Ghana you won near be brave etinye bibia na ese no right to no etata meye say be do baby you have to exercise common sense now the boa am Ghana to for them nem pan to pa bibia ema
o share numbers here eba ha tie na say in case say ebi ama meka ho a mo be disappointed e wa Ashanti region say
yes you move a obehu one atam e be move do fifi no wa ba be ka kire me say yes ni pa ikwa wa akura say ni paketo a ni page na bon say father also no mo inside there nti fie move a ana be hu say yes ye ni abre
so show the number of police presence equanim
yeah, I'm protect you because in Pabone for the Yasi.
Kokuba Hena, Yana Chiche and Common, so we should be Wadiana and Tapena for more Bob one say a better see a fine so. We should be Wahana, Lucreni, General Kayano, and said that I'm Kososa, and said I am Kososa, never more expected say, won't be winning Padu Dona Ewaha. Now, but have the idea, dear Hinipa, a quadra, and the idea Hinewa. Yes, in capacity, and that's all. Oba amanyukwa ya dominate ha NDC amanyukwa ka mo ka ho ne de won se da hu mu bebre na wa ha na mo NDC ka te wa ha o hwe entade ene omo branding no kwa bibia na eye NDC ena dodo na ohu na mo no yo ho de omo da na die ma ye tie asie puti atene de na mo se interparty ne ne ye se ye be hu amanyukwa ahodo no so e ka ho no wo bon so asenso die ewo wo mu bie na so ntina hu bibia etese na me no ka say de ye wo aboabo a tete afei ana ba be tiri ha atiesi emiamia hodo a bambofo mo ne bambofo ko tena se yes e da na dipete se ho no be fa so hwe bambofo wa ha na ka se o mo do sie papa o mo ya kra ne dem bambofo no e do sie papa o ma se so mo hu eye ankasa wo mo chebi emiamia tete ekura ye de boy ho ban de mu kokura bi pa asa na mo ka mu ntumui eno so ba ko so SSA bambo fo na wa ha no etos ye so ma ready so o betimi apop ye be wie no na de koso atipi do man kamo asumdwe mu ni no ebi so abase wa asante matam ya sei de bambo fo no de atuja so mo hwe kasia pa anso mo hwe se yes se tai wo kwan so wo mo kire ma atipi do man tam ya sei ka tai na so ha de wo mo rasa sa de bi enkoso ye nia im se aba kwa cheka tanko riasie no na kwa kwa ejasise bi aba asante matam ya sei ko to kuma ti ho ene ti ana manya abre ese ta ne ma sia no anya de so wa the teacher dey no kete yam penetemo ono anata na no broadcast ko from a every tese yentia men's gold customers say we buta say na ida na men's customers so from mo ni na ka ko bi enti anamo demonstration no enti minim the men's gold customers so no wo mo so hu bi ya so mo so hu na so mo ba da ki bi dia ele na se mra da na be kire every study aye ensem de ka sa kichi a yentimi emfa emtuga
Augu mamimisa kwanya demonstrators one more fast one more chance here free he na one de akofa he na fe ni kwa no de akowie he Augu Malik
omo chance FP ababu ha sei ni akwa no eye asokore man municipal ni akwa akofa mu ye bakwa akofa airport run about ho na ye wura mu saa aba da famu ewo mensia hotai abefa asawase ye wura asawase akwa potesi etiesi kroma na bia ye bakwa pogina na mpanfo no ene ye bekasa eye duplicate ho ana mu na bakwa posia ene ye didi komo no ma kire omo bota yentia omutue omo se omo kawo bebre na amiahu yento mutu anamo we de nanso no yenim se bibu foforo bi betoja e wo mera ye nyina kwa kwasia o duplicate ho ne dia eno mera ne that ye baba ko se emfo no ehye ye wa ha tei eno no wa ha yenim
na do ni to me je mesa ni bibia e wo bibia ba ye ga na fo demonstration wa ya NDC kwa na ye for political parties na ka NPP for kwa mu ya nya to ene enka NPP for mu
Sania na kwakubu ahin wakan ananso so se ya ne de bekwa wieye Augu
nukreni ebi mo chira o ma twen se ebia me atisi mountain so ebi ba be sese mu amana so na so me bia me gira di sie se me chonfo ya meka se nipa wa ha no de esa e wo fom sa wo de to de course no e wo tamale ne dia e wo fom pa ahadia no e wo fom sanye o sha Santa Rosa ha se ya na mi ni kamale ho bi die ba wo ba Santa Rosa o mo sa wo de wo ko radio stations ahodo so ho se ahodo ani ya bo ni ade ti se hype no akoi pa I just expectation no we media guy na so ba we expect say something big anya no krampo se wo sha ba mo krampa wo sha ba mo for the numbers o ba ha wo mo kwa no tim so mo expect something big na si akram so mo numbers no kwa no ya ben demonstrators na ekakra nti e na say demonstrators na e wo form apart who some more SCC kwan so ana eje mu ti kwan so a na mo ka ye no ba ba ka afa na nipa no asase e ba mania bedu ba ya wa ha o omodoso pa o ba mbo po ha
I see
oha 100 ye o betu ye omodoso pa na wa ha te any omukwan omom sese sa niema kuntan ko tege o ma ba che ni o mutini ni ama amososo doso pa ti te wo kan ni na bo mu dia won be ko be ye bia be ahanu kwa hafa Bambo for the Adosa, if you so man, if you aba, so man, if you aba, and to Bambo for the Hannah Domodoso.
Okay, Akuma me no ase na koso amu ani ndi akire. Mesamba ho bi wan semapon. Masori so nti koso amu ani ndi akire. Akuma Lake. Me da sipi.
Unsa eyimu onwum bi William Mike. Mimpini ma wanka mi show.
Jim
Ashasi
FM.
nisa bewie ye beye kesi.
Jim FM.
Ashasi nisa. Ni ehwe ye nisa beye kesi a. Eza se de no masi koidie.
Agwadu kumi.
Se koni se ya de ebe hankrofo. Yampini ma wanka ye show. Ya shasi nisa bewie ye.
Abdullah Audu wafa nipa bi adwuma mu. Yeah.
Nipa de e wose efa bi. What you say? Esan say okay kan transema. Wose awiye bre no. Efri wosuboni Yohani Penso. What you say? Wose the kingdom of God suffers violence and the violent take it by force. Say man family ekura beje. So
quotation ya yi say enu nkomo ya ye twetwen.
Enye no anwasam ne yekan. Enu anwasam ne yekan.
Kasa ya fa nipa bi adwuma ma nso akoyi violent take it by force.
Enu tegina mpesa me twase ba bi aduru de ebugabuga by force.
Jim FM.
What you say? You know, say me ba ni afa me kran ka me fa me ho.
Hey.
But say bi bia e boko there.
Ghanaian Times. Why?
Ghanaian Times. Ghanaian Times na dey ayi bia ba. Na ora ni ma.
Jim FM.
Me hu se nipa mienu da fom. Baako she blue. Ena baako enso ehye pink. Na omu mienu nyina hye trousers achesa tad na se abrobro kosoro. Me hu se etuo 1 2 3 4. Ene gu an me hu etuo aboba. Ena akuma. Ene sekan ya yedi dwudwa na ntwinam entientie ne binom. Wo se yo sekan ne bi ho a eno no ye frɛ kwikwi tietia pa ne binom.
Na yedi dwa dompe, yedi dompe ne wo no.
Why na nkwasere ni pen. We are there. We are carrying and quasering and be any dumpe. Na yes, police for no money across for run for equity froms. Our enkra kropom hayau, enkra haya, and asam the course what equally as a police for yes, we be. Womako to across for to a my across for not one and one said. Na across for na yasi a frabako. Ali Abbas, Dodo na friend Ali Hero, and about course your friend Charles Donko, our no Dodo na friend Killer Boss. Well, now one police folk di from the jet to 20 course, and absolutely a 20 because car, one me no matuan and anum ewan said into the Obocratano, nefa a tosu dunsia, ube who ever have. Now the Obocrata nefa a tosu 9. My main fan to us, and rather public accounts committee, Metisene, opinion now Bonabasso. Say, Wabojuma, Pa,
James Cluche
Aveji, one on a public accounts committee, where penny power down to set it in. Now, ya the platform you know. Every say we are contombra ebejina and imso mambe bunkonta. Ya fraba ko Isaac akowua and about so your friend James Esrifi. Ni ase baako aye current district finance officer and about so your past district finance officer and yaso amombra mebunkunta na mpanfo mi enu baaye na enkunta no mubu ye no yaso mdika bebu baako ansisi so and mpanfo se da bia bosman mi ekwa ne mprensa wo ho etu amonsa akwa no amombra biewu na omokwadwene ho ebia na oma na ye wo ho ebia omso dare boni bi etu ombaba na ese bibia da na kwa mu pen afedi mpanfo mi enu baaye and some nobody kind of buy there so among one remove found. On my the for crown up and penny for the way. What do you say, Quada? Huh? What do you say, Quada? Massa, move when you are dance agro. On the mammy, or penny James Clucha or free police for us a song on Mofo Munko. It's an heard of Bocrata and if I toss on Naya, Cratafana, no, and penny for me, no, and for you the ha will be Ash African where Bacodia long sleeve, Bacodia short sleeve. Any other handcuff. Atu Monsa, and I will be sure to do my chief and police need anymore, and then the Obocrate, and Sembika home, and then what they aba and Montana. Yes, a paper.
Asami Abosu say, Mame and Kwahumano, so Assembly see Public Accounts Committee. Honorable Ocheme Jekum, a ranking member, Public Accounts Committee, on Ukraine, a member of Ochre Jekum, and also a member of Parliament for Fantiaqua South, Meneno, and Chichen, and come on. Honorable Dum FM Sunia Makwaba.
Yeah, me chia tifo ni anso.
ansana ye be konkomo twetwe ne so kra no mamindi kan embo mabaso public accounts committee adwuma moye de abo my for the first time and run ye see ewo committee sitting me bo mabaso papa honorable
no ya damase
na ebia no obi nte nia esi na yensa kan we boyemu yete say 2 finance officers, 1 former, 1 current. And Mia Mete, Honorable James Crucial Veggie. One shall approach from far a hank of Fingu womansa. Bonnie Benny see, Honorable.
Yo, my main chair chief for Namin Dawas. They see any finance officer or war a contumbra. Any finance officer or war MC body. First, no, not your contumbrano. Ono na say ya transfer no ko body na public accounts ye juma titu ni say ye frese obia abansika ko no institution bia free ministries department the assemblies any even institution bia no so the general eko hwehwe ni isika sim said where you should not say and from so mu a as I say or the report no brain na yenso ye free department ye pay na the SSF at the end of the year. A finance officer no war a Kutumbra say 2016 honomo. Report of the General by PVs and as a payment vouchers in 62 what row at the Sikano. Auditors no call honomo, a coffee 2016. Bono one fab vouchers nama. The report no buy no by Friday no. And the catcher on say woman coffee no mon factory and batches number. I'm coin to mobile and rano. No, so woman who and chrome, a batches 62 no more who and chrome. Yes, and chrono not to say any batches now, Auditor General, and now I will be someone somewhere well whom 2016. And then a bubra. And that is a document now. Who's the Auditor General or cash book no so. You will be who say PV number way on this date. Who is to say? It will be to me a copy in a what I was Fabra and me and Casamin. Now the could be our car say so the coyer and so told then you know what to say your trust. And now one farmer, the castle monk of Fambra. And I'm bar, do I don't buy and also woman who and clone. And Chrono, you penny for her, not just a need a war now, Auditor General. I can't want some, and then walk and Nino Bubra. That is, I say, my cotton horn on my church or BB can nobody be brick committee minister. And he wouldn't say, no, now it is looking like some acquire forgery. And now, one more better now committee no soon. A current finance officer is all our contumbra. Any former one or co-board, you know. Meaning now, now, as or more, and some of them can see so as a control, more cover up near the near day. Then I hear so, over public accounts committee, and now swear, so they cannot cry. Nothing as a more control. Documents are more the auditors, somebody about the better say. We need batches not out of the ship, not as a young cry, no bobra, and need it. Almost a da by some over dada a committee for no. A crime, will be committee crime. The Denema Pussy for. The Denema Pussy for so monk one was him. Na a compabia Pussy for the other fashion, or more investigations, thorough national committee, Abia, forgery. And as a pledge, whatever, I want to take it, the law must take it because I only see and
okay.
Yeah, way to make sure, say, Nipa be as you say, a bank card, you now can say, yeah, na ye jana ya show me by ne sanity. Ne sanity.
Honorable way, me watoka se kwasukasa.
Then nipa bebre anti public accounts committee for Najuma. And he said we are a buying car. One to two na I know so wo ma jaw. Anya se jaw. You on mo report your betro akoma Attorney General, a very recommended prosecution. The prosecution will be going on, but media will not be aware until the woman for whom television so because mobile crowd almost discharge you. They discharge you from the public city, not say as some Omaya Bonibi and I be not as anyone on there be. Prosecutions and jails, it goes on, but it's behind the scenes. In the end, so probably accounts committee, but this time around, you have say Ubana Ube, the obvious Ube committee, Ube obvious crime in front of the committee, Ube Diatro, who presented forged documents. I know the ever the law has taken because.
Okay, but yeah, can Nienti ayana omanfo we bradwe akoye om say we ya public accounts committee ya de hanko fa gu om say no ano no yanyom hwibio. There's been calls for powers Sanka Park more say 2 minutes to prosecute and we still haven't heard anything about it. Sanka nyame ya adom ma betime nya say 2 minutes to prosecute nanka madwuma no edi mu preko what does what
say parliament ewo ho executives ewo ho and the judiciary obia won the powers giving Parliament power to prosecute. What about the judiciary? Sir, call no a bit constitutionally difficult. You ain't mean called the judiciary as
I see.
And I said the executive, the police, and I said attorney general. But you better not recommend it. Papa, we yanchino na first one Nsem na abai and court. And to yana zakon. We don't have, we don't have to do that because you specialize in the case. Parliament and that there be any binya any area for we are same one in court near Yajen, near court, near Jen. Was Attorney General any police for? And I can understand layman be our television. No, we better now to two papa so no trend no to my temperature on command young free. But it's a misconception. And Yama Kosuo behind the scene. And the main purpose of the city is Sikana will be a seseka or the comma buying. And Sikana will be where Dino, Yansaka, Yajia Nsem. And only the major purpose of public accounts committee. And you behun say, Nipa be Broba Hanuni Bisano, Sadi we are. We not so this can come up by one fanco. Odiako or say Mediaco auditors and pounds who receipt ni who say Odiako who say the Wakocha bank. That is our focus. Unless you say it will be or or committee crime even in front of the city, then you have to take action to make sure say Emraya Juma.
But Honorable, is it enough to refund? Say, media bicycle, yes, it's San Fabra, and that's can go to Namasan the court, Naminamho. Is it enough?
Most of the time, most of the time, we are asked to refund with interest. So, if you also saw, men, yes, Sikano Wegi. To say, my more typical example, India, assembly, why we hold tax from suppliers near the there be at 10,000, 20,000. Say, I'm not say, and 1 month after that, so because you can afford a consolidated fund. Often, your friend, be a debate 3 months, also maybe a call, a whole receipt to create CCC. But it be a Sikabia, a SSA and Kawitria Baba Baya, one tria, Emiratum. I know they recommend here, Ubetres, you can assert your interest at the appropriate rate. And all those recommendations, a cost and a Jumanos and performance to see can I'm a balance but said they can we do not media attention or what is going to do as that process they take it some time. The who know televisions, that is not necessarily the end of the matter.
But Honorable, I'm making recommendations. Now recommendations I'm making, they are not followed through. What happens? Hello? Hello? Oh, okay. Kofi Sampen Mamena, only Masembi say Chatway, Ano, and Famame, Honorable Cherejokum, the ranking member, Public Accounts Committee, and the member of Parliament for Fantiaqua South. Aima?
Yeah, one more boy, Juma.
What Nasi?
Ayatena ahofo. Na said na woka se obi ba na adwen se odi aban sika. Oba no betoto papa so a no okoni ba bi no. Won se hono ma na obi kwatena ya. Woka kire say to air is human. As a wadi aban sika to air. Sika wadi to air. Wa air disika.
Wadi aban sika say to air is human.
To forgive is divine.
No, but me masema me bisa ona busisi ani say me di aban sika. Na esan say sika ne da ho. Enti me confess kanam de betua. Even with interest and one no my family ready.
There be was say atwa so. Then so Ghana na sa na yemra na kwakwa enkai was say unya akokodro di ye. Na da bre na wudi sika no na mpasua na wo so no mpuntudwuma bia ni hono mo a na ehia sika ye de beyo ana. Sa mpuntudwuma no on say sika wo value with time. Enti se sika ne value so te with time dia enya se sika na udi ye no ade ana nka ebetimi aye no enne se ya se sika na oya entimi nye de toso mienu nipa ne ho kire no se ye kwan a nipa ne ho kire ne ka se your brain anse na ofa kwan no so no you cannot replace sa nipa ne brain na obrain no so betua interest ne de so wo se ye twa
ehwe ono abasan ba homa no so ma me ne enwie ono abakwa ba biam sa homa no etekoe na me bisa se Park will make these recommendations. Necessary recommendations, they are not followed through to the latter. What happens?
Oh, well, they are supposed to be followed through the latter. So that we can, committee or entity be a friend audit committee. On my job, when they say recommendations are a free report of the Auditor General, any free parliament, they should implement it. And Auditor General occur the following year, the first assignment and so there's a recommendation some way in or my implementing or my say there will be no way this car will be impressive in this will be accountable on my account. So a must a requirement that your committee or every entity more almost say on very implementing report the very recommended say be Attorney General and prosecution. Of course, I know the report to my police for the Attorney General. So I'm waiting to me, to be honest, the committee cannot go and force them by all means on prosecuting. But like I said, it goes on. Only said the media will not be having their attention there then because in prosecutions, any criminal go on more 3 years no more so so the focus will not be there. But it goes on. But the who here in Pan say Abensi Kano. About back and we are getting value for money. Obi oha oberena contract bi odi command of say over inflated nearly. We recommend for refund on the interest payments. Those things goes on all the time.
Okay, but finally, near Aya AC on the blind side of the citizenry and the media. In the near future, I think we should be we should be in the known, so we can really appreciate. You bet me, at Jumanu Amoyano, I see ye pa. What me yadun is honorable.
Me know yadun pa. Me know yadun say people should know. But and then I think say me who say Auditor General was starting situation be a or report to with figures. Sika be a cover because of reports near the end. So that information in the media should follow it. Don't we say any Auditor General no more here human.
I mean, what's the name here? And I pay you,
Miss Medawas.
Honorable Ejokum, ranking member, Public Accounts Committee, a member of Parliament for Fante Aqua South. Fante Aqua South, Begro on Begro Potemo, Anambwa.
Onwana okokobisa Ghana Dental Council for efa sikabia omomisa property ye Mr. Tikpi Dr. Tikpi no kobisa no ewo 2019 say April mu wa and obisa na oka chen say to err is human to forgive is divine.
I'm for this.
Abra no ne bosu mi akatua on air wo ho da entity ntu da Ghana ban sika de no see to air is human. See Dr. Ochejekum boy adwuma Nyankopon hia no na the bonkrata no kakra bi aka ha
daily graphic ya fa no ntwimna Mr. Kwasi Amwakwata or
Minister of Roads and Highways or no eneda hei wasi enokrase wode nani ato form na otietie na nkontabu a nensa ka kire se Ghana akwan a yewo eye 100 a emu mako aduosian kron 69 ena enye ne tibie wo mu no ensem fato kaniba se nko benante so ne sa so nti no wo behase na waye nsiesie mu oden pa Ghana fa na ba bia ekwan da ekwan no nye no wo so wo ba behase no wasiesie se de be ya akonia badie ebekọ hariso na amafo mfa ahunyehia ne ateti mu tichiu ene ema apemfo ene ema sebi ombu o msa na omaya se omya ne ade omu kikiri ni nampotos mu sa kwan no so enye ne basa na ka na wono wonam ho no obeda kwakoto shocks egu ase de bia nti ne shocks ne papa ya na modi na musa woso oba besiesie ama hoto aba eno democrat yi e de asem de tes enchedanya asem de ye beyo no krampo no na nse kure ba beja na ma ne bo wo mu yo wi a ne aka ye beyo de yati bebre ai yes say ankran suku a wo mti yesa na nko mo de hwe suku nto aso secondary schools no mu no ese wo mo ni abre na wo mo ni bre na kwakwadum pempenso se suku dan mua and esi honom no na student ba kope enewom SHS nipa ba kope enewom one school one student
hey
one district one factory one school one student ena the democrat say acheche fo nsia so ena na wo mu school mu honom danso na senior high school asem na ye kan enti yakwa akotum eno ho asem the democrat yi e de aba
say wo mo ye national service
for no
na wo mo kire school owner ne say
Omo amerepo.
Omo nyehwe. And go release your mona omonko ma me no so said that.
Na ni abresa ozo ni investment na moko na ochina nkwala ba na ende. Asem obi dwa na eguo no e agya no tipa ye wo agya no kode na esa wakoma. Mpanyfo nhwe ko mbefa so mbeboa no na anya hwe senka chechefo nsien. Wo manya bebi omo wo chima wo ho de oprapra ho ma mi droba ene ne nkeka ho nyina na nka eboa ma yetimi fa nipa adwumam enti egu a enye ma me nko na adwuma na aguo achechefo obi anka national service na chi yebefo omodwuma gu security adwuma gu cleaners adwuma gu wani anu aduane adwuma gu eye how bebre enti abanhwe na ohu kon befa so a obeboa na esei obakata fe to so du miensa dawuro ya ekoso pa ene ewo krom eye cervical cancer na se eye cervical cancer eho dawubo ya aba na ma me fa sa asem we hu abasobo baako ema Mr Brobe CEO ya woda years adwumakuo no ano Leicester Ghana Limited adwumakuo no ano wa bom modern pa hwe da uba papa ne bo social media ne ade all sign sponsor nipa bi a wo motu omu hwesi ho aye ambassador se o mebeboa ya se o ya ade pa nti Chief Brobe baby awo bia na kokon onhia Stacy Amoaten so ka ho eye ochiame Kofi Chiame ne yere Stacy Amoaten wono so ka ho bi survival nti ono o ka asam na o ka from the point of experience they were from any kwan of fast so or G treatment na ne
cervical cancer no di emanya
papa man ni anim onim se oba bitimi nya bi wu na abusua no kra nim yare ekun no na ye de ahya bayifo eba sa na genom ne gemene ne wehere baba ne de ne nam mpa gba asesa sanse yare ni anim no ye hu bi da enti enne nyame adom ye se pap smear okọ ayasa bia ne bo onye den atete so na yakwa akohwe wasensuo se bibi sa wo mu a na yama wadro treatment no ho nti entwe me anwa ansa no aka se ohun ya nka the democrat idea but Dr. Kofi Efa a gynecologist and ono aso na ye head e was cervical cancer prevention and training center e Catholic Hospital ya obato Northton Volta region Framantamu ena wode ehun enkyerɛkyerɛ ne sɛde wo mo eboa na wone ombekwa akoye enkyerɛkyerɛ nso so midwives ne ade wo mo so mo de wo mo hyehyɛ aba HPV moawa na desire no ba no na hyehyɛ a wo mo ye ama enkwada mabawa ene mamu anyina ne nyina de bokrata yi de ehun sem aba na menua me kɔ na kyire kratafe to so dunum ena Judicial Service Staff Association of Ghana JUSAG womo atokrata page 15 nyina edi congratulations kase pa his lordship Kwasi Anin Yeboa ese wono any chief justice ewo Ghana munti no wode abasobo kase ma no se wabe womo boss anase no oyom boss mpo dada o me chief justice kra no boss womo de etiri kwansem na ma no na mi se ma me so yekosu ayeboa ntimi yi mienu no bo Manchester wabe me wofa ntimi wofa no Kwasi Anin Yeboa congratulations na JUSAC ede ema no na se yes portrait adwuma na igu enti Ghana ban enema kwanuasa so pese wo gisi honom enti say was what the year project for the production of 20 million day old chickens afibia enkokon ketwa ne be pai be say 20 million na ye de ama se de be ya woni ye enkokon no benya bie na wo mo so ayen na wo mo ma Ghana yesi yenkra enkokofunu ye be hye fosu pieto abo fosu brazia edi fosu aduane di fosu toothbrush atwi yese na mom fosu pie akokonnam de ye mpese ye be wi bio aban se anamo a wo tuo no sei wo ba beboa ama yenya enkokoma no bebre ene susu enie go krata graphic ene de bae ase aba de anche so onyame abepam me
aduru ho and you mamendo ase na yemfa ho ase da ma life plan properties NLA Super 6 easy play easy win Societe Generale SG Ghana. The future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready Agbeve Herbal Center wa madaroma ene de naposo ye de breo